Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable save photos and videos taken in notes to the Photos app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Notes. Now scroll down and in here, go down to the Media section and tap on Save to Photos. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Save to Photos. When this is turned on, then it will save photos and videos taken in notes to the Photos app. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.